marine detail supplier, setting the standard for the marine detailing industry. We set the standard.
Hey, this is Ken with Starke Yacht Care, and we're going to go over today to show you how to properly use Venom and the multiple uses that you can get out of it. First off, we're going to talk about how to properly do what we call a strip wash, okay? You're going to use this to maintain ceramic coating, because what it'll do for you is it actually essentially work like a liquid clay bar and remove all the contaminants on the top of the surface. However, where we have Venom sitting on a pH scale, it won't damage your ceramic coating. So we're going to do a strip wash. You can either do it for maintenance, or if you get that stubborn yellow tannic stain that gets on the bottom of your boat or on your hull that you can't get off, but you're always using something like super aggressive muriatic acid, toilet bowl cleaner, you know, rust off, stuff like that, that etches gel coat. It's really bad. So use this instead. What we're going to do is really simple. Right now I got an empty bucket. We got a fresh thing of Venom. I'm going to put roughly, probably about 4 ounces of Venom. And the next thing I'm going to do from there is literally just take my water source and just fill the bucket up with just enough water to cover the brush head. Real simple. Open it up. Now that should be enough water to cover the brush head. Now, next step that we're going to do, what's really important is make sure that your hull is wet. You don't want to apply this dry, so I always do a quick little rinse first. And the beauty of this, you see, there's plenty of protection on it. This actually got coated with Reboot last year. So now it's wet. We're going to take your brush head and you're going to take your Venom. Pull it up. Once it's out of the water, I do a nice little 1 bead over the top, and now I'm going to just scrub it on. Really simple. What this is going to do is remove all the contaminants that are on the surface. So if you ever have a ceramic coating that you think has failed, I would highly suggest you to do a strip wash first, because a lot of times where you feel that a coating has failed, it's really just contaminated. So now I went ahead and brushed on the entire surface. You kind of want to let it dwell on the surface for about 5 minutes or so for it to do its work. If you have that yellow tannic stain, you're going to see it slowly go away. May take an extra application, but it's real simple. Go through, reapply, and let it do its work. After that, just simply rinse it off, and you have now completed your strip wash. So now let's show you how versatile it is going after water spots. We have this outrigger handle right up in here that has some pesky water spots on it. Very simple to use. Take your microfiber towel, take Venom, and literally just directly apply it onto the microfiber itself and wipe it on the surface. And instantly, you will see that that area is now spot free from water spots and looks brand new. It is literally that quick. So if you have any pesky water spots, apply it to a microfiber and just wipe it on. Now, I would hold caution if you have any MFDs, multifunction displays that have water spots on it. Do not use this product, as it will strip and remove the ultraviolet coating that's on top of it. Other than that, it's safe for glass, metal, and any painted or gel coated surface. I would use caution as well around any raw aluminum, as it will cause it to turn white. Now, let's talk about how it removes rust. A couple of ways you can do it. You can apply it again to any microfiber towel. We've got some rust that's up here on this outrigger. I'm going to kind of rub it up in there. Sometimes what I like to do too is, since it's kind of like a thicker formula, it's not so watery. I'll take it and I'll just drip it right along, kind of let it just sit there, and you'll see it'll just start tearing up that rust. But this one is less damaging to those surfaces. So as you can see, it's super simple to do a strip wash on your boat for maintenance, whether you're removing a yellow tannic stain on the hull, removing rust, or even those pesky water spots. Starke Venom will definitely get the job done for you. So make sure that you go ahead and click the link down in the description below and purchase you some. And we would really love it if you went ahead and subscribe to our channel, as it helps us grow, and we're going to continue to do more demonstration videos just like this one.
Sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment on our content. We encourage engagement and debate. Be on the lookout for more product reviews, tutorials, and interviews just like this. Follow us on social media for free giveaways weekly. See you next time.